Every time I get into my 2003 Buick Park Avenue Ultra, there's one thing that immediately becomes apparent. It is disgusting in here. Alex here, he brought a whole bunch of detailing stuff. I have some detailing stuff. We're gonna see what we can do. We don't have an extractor, but I do have an old Craftsman wet dry vac, so hopefully we can get the carpets okay, but mostly I'm just looking forward to not having a literal pile of human gunk all over my steering wheel. That's going to be really nice. I basically wear gloves when I drive this, and I'd like to not have to do that anymore. Also, because it's February in Kansas, it is snow outside, so I can't like go to a car wash or anything like that. It's in like the 20s, I think. Sucks. One of these days I'll get a diesel or kerosene heater like John Ross has, but until then it's propane, which is not recommended at all. Please don't do that. I know this is a bad idea, which is why it's okay. Also, I have a carbon monoxide alarm somewhere. I don't remember where, but I'll know when it goes off. And that is it after a quick wipe down with 808 aerospace protectant, which I absolutely love because it leaves stuff looking fairly new but not too shiny. After a few hours, it'll dry out to a nice dull finish, sort of like factory, and most importantly, it's not greasy at all. The car looks and smells so much better now, and the engine bay especially, it was just a massive improvement. Hopefully, the weather will get nice. Like this entire next week, it's not supposed to get above 20 degrees. It's like 14 out right now. Hopefully it'll get warm enough I can actually get started cleaning the exterior up a little bit. I'd eventually like to do a full paint correction and ceramic coat on this car, but there's a few visual things that need seen to first. At any rate, that does it for this. I'm gonna go, we'll drive this thing, I guess, because now I can drive it and it'll feel clean, and I can touch the steering wheel and it feels nice. Love it. Thanks for watching.